Today I'm cooking po' boys for dinner, a tofu and mushroom po' boy using some nori, and we're going to start with the sauce. I am making remoulade sauce. I am using a half a cup of vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon of horseradish, wow, 1 teaspoon of pickled relish, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is equal parts cornmeal and bread flour. To that I will add a teaspoon of pepper, salt, and a teaspoon and a half of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of rosemary, garlic, oregano, and onion powder. I will add a half a sheet of nori to this. This is going to take it to the next level. I took half of that nori sheet and put it in the blender, and this is what I got. I'm so happy with this. So here is my frying station. I have my mushrooms, my tofu, my rice milk, and my dredge here. And then we're going to put it right in this olive oil. I'm ready to go. My po' boy. You can barely see it for all the lettuce. Guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. All I did was I took mushrooms and tofu and I just made a nice dredge and added some nori to it, and it gave us that seafood flavor without the seafood. So it turned out great. We're happy. So guys, thank you so much for joining Vegan with Soul today. Appreciate you and I love you. Y'all have a great evening. Bye.